Alright, it's day one on the funded account. I have also purchased a new challenge. This is another evaluation. I started plus this time because there's no consistency rule for payouts. So with this one, once I do get funded, hopefully I do get funded, I will be maxing out with our funded account now. The idea is to aim for $100-$200 a day, and just make this a dependable, repeatable income, and so I can fly off to Vietnam or something. Just to pay the bills. We're gonna stay really conservative, not take more risk than we need to, not put more position size than we need to. Minimum is going to be one, obviously, one mini contract, but So I mean, the one position size is going to be one thing. Maybe I can get away with more if the stop loss can be close enough with the orb on the other side of the orb. But I was considering, the thought I'm having is my risk 1% of, because I want to keep it at 1%, is my risk 1% of 50,000, or is it 1% of 2,500, which is the actual drawdown that's available to me? So, interesting, eh? Yeah, so don't know the answer to that, but I don't think I can actually pull off a 1% risk on 2,500, because that's $25. I'll be taking really bad trades if I have to do that. How could that be? So that's $40. That's $40 at risk. How could I do that? So with one contract, the lowest is one contract, and one contract is $2 per point, right? So look, this is 14, so that's 30 already. That's too much already. I'm not gonna be taking trades like that. So I guess the decision's been made for me. I'll have losing streak of 5 trades will make me lose this account. So to be extremely careful. And with this, I am going to be maxing out just as before. Hopefully we can pass that evaluation quickly. This is still doing well. We're bouncing off this demand zone, which is fantastic, which gives me plenty of support to actually make a move up here somewhere. And then we're going to struggle up there too, but hopefully we'll create another shelf and I'll move up the stop loss. So I don't know if this was on video, but I moved the stop loss from down here, from under this demand zone here, all the way up under this newly formed 4-hour demand, just so we can solidify, take some of these, I don't know, can't word this morning. Just so, protect these profits. We got 882 almost confirmed, which is fantastic. But I think we can go a lot higher. So we're just going to keep keep that here for now and look for another place to trail after the fact. We could even move it up a little bit to like 1,000, but that is more risky, you know. We could come back down, although it looks like we're only about an hour in to let's have a look on TradingView. Yeah, we're an hour in exactly on this 4-hour candle, and we've already rejected. We started going down, we've rejected off of those levels, and it looks like we're going up. So I could move it up a little bit, but then what's the point? If it's not going to be here anyway, what's the point, right? We'll see how it deals with these highs. So we might bounce off again and then come back down and end up hitting my my stop loss. Let's just see where this is. 144.430. 144. Stop loss for. Ooh, it's a little closer. It's a little close. Let's go a little bit further. That's fine. Three, two, 1, 440. Beautiful. A little more space in case it's a real battle down there. And now, hopefully, we're gonna have a breakout sometime soon. A big rejection off the top there. This, and now, and then we poked out with this, and this looks like maybe it was a 15-minute demand zone. Yeah. No. It's a 5-minute demand zone. I can call that a demand zone, I guess. Down here is this to contend with, and this to contend with. That is how legitimate is this? It's a big candle, but that's a uncertainty candle for sure. That seems pretty explosive, and this is pretty explosive as well. So I guess I can mark this out. I don't like it. Five-minute D. Nobody likes 5-minute D. It's kind of a supply zone there, but. So yeah, we got to deal with the EMAs and this big demand zone. And that is pretty interesting. We only poked into this supply when Trump was speaking. So this might just have been an impulsive move up, and now we see a real rejection, which we did. Oh, and yeah, we lost that trade. I don't know if I got that on video either. We lost that trade. There was no reason to take it. It was try to capitalize on this guy talking was not a good idea. I only took it on my personal account. Yeah, it just wasn't a good move. Right after we passed the test, I was like, oh, it was about here, I think. I was like, ooh, this could keep going. This guy could say some more positive stuff, and this could keep going forever. Make me a millionaire. So I lost like $500, which is alright. It's okay in the grand scheme of things, but I can't make that a habit, What was this? JPY. Yeah, we're going up. We're going up. Where was it? Nasdaq. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. We basically caught the top there. I could have had some. Could have made a couple of hundred. Or no, it wasn't even. I think what, $80 or something up here if I closed, which would have been the right move. I recognized really early that I should have come out of that. But hey ho, USD JPY will cover it even at my current stop loss. Yeah. And look, it's looking really good now. If it keeps going like this might be a really strong 4-hour candle for us. Yeah, you could mark that out as a 1 hour as well. This definitely is a 1 hour. It's looking good, bruv. And this is just from, I think this is from a different day. So what happens if we're already inside it? It's no longer fresh. The Globex trap doesn't work. I just answered my question before I formulated it because so this is window of opportunity. The woo means window of opportunity. This supply zone was created between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard, and if we break out from a Globex high and hit one of these supply or demand zones, I am supposed to take it in the direction of the zone. But we're already inside it here. If we break out above, I think I should buy, because this supply zone's been violated plenty, there as well. Let's see in an hour. That's where it was created. Multiple 1 hour candles, 3, 4 1 hour candles here, 3 here, 4, 5 here. Yeah, this zone is done with. It's finished. I can get rid of it. I've got to get better at doing that. I'm just like deleting zones. From after hours trading, let's see. From this moment to that moment. Yeah, the high is there, low is here. Globex high and low don't mean much now, unless we find a strong demand zone within the window of opportunity. I should really do this before the market opens. No, 30-11, impossible. Anywhere close is not going to be possible, so we're good. No Globex traps today. We can get rid of this as well. And now we wait, and I shall be back when something happens. Okay, we've broken the opening range, but my 5-minute D is just underneath, and it seems like it's already affecting the price. I don't know now, this makes it hard for me to sell. So I don't want to sell into a demand zone, and this is a demand zone. It's fresh, but obviously not original, but it's fresh. If we break here, that's about 40. Yeah. I could take the trade if we get to about this level. If we break this low, then it makes sense. But no, I can't justify selling inside of a demand zone like this. What I'm thinking about is buying right now. Because we might, worst case, I mean, even if, I don't know, it's not in the window of opportunity. Like, even if this doesn't become a bull trend, just to the top of the range is plenty, right? Or just to this local high. Let's say it would get to here, still 56 points. Still plenty of money. Now the execution is going to be more difficult. I have to keep in mind and stay vigilant. I quickly I'll put in one contract here every time, I guess. I'll put in one contract here and then quickly switch to that and try to complete a cool. Anyway. Okay, we made it. I mean, this now seems like the bottom. We can now delete this, obviously. Now this seems like the bottom. I think I might have to wait for a retracement, but we're bearish for today. The daily bias is bearish. This 5-minute demand can basically be ignored. Let's wait for this. I would like to put it up here, which is 130. 260. It would be a 260 risk. Let's do it. Let's take it. Short position. Take that right down there. See what happens. I will be watching, so the take profit doesn't really matter. 270. Good. We'll probably see more of a retracement up into here, but I don't want to miss the move. We're about halfway in, and we are pushing back down. Let's go up. Give me a better price. Yeah, on the challenge account it can be 4 times this. Yeah, 4 units. Okay, we're about halfway in. Good. That's it. Let's take it. Took it. We're in. Let's go challenge account. Yeah, so the take profits are going to matter now because I need to... Alright, that scares me a little bit, but okay. So those are gonna matter a lot more now. Especially on this one, right? So let's see what's happening here. It's one contract. If we go down to this is 460. This is 400. I'd be happy with 400. What's the buffer again? 2600, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. This one I do want to trail. Down here will be 8 times this 1600. That's like half of it done. If we go down there, why did I put it here? Let's see what demand zones we can find. 5 minute, that's one right there. That's one here. You move it up a little bit. And then this is 5 minutes as well. So look, 15 minutes, a little more significant. So let's get rid of that. Like half of it was gone. We can get rid of the low as well. This here. From up here to there, 8 times about 1600. It's pretty cool. Half an hour, nothing. 5 minutes is 5 minutes. I'll find something. Somewhat. If we close with a big one down here, we will. We can delete this, right? It's been violated, but only about 30-40%. Let's see. If we close with a big red candle here, it creates another supply zone just at my entry price, which is fantabulous. It's really good. We get past this, I think it's pretty smooth sailing until here. But I will want to trail. I do want to give it the chance to get to that 1 hour demand. Before that 1 hour demand, there must be something, right? I guess it's not really fresh. This 5 minutes, yeah. 15 minutes, Wednesday 7th. This, no. It will be 5 minutes, and that's okay. That all kind of looks like base then, right? It must be just this. I suppose 5-minute D. 5-minute D there, and if that's one down there, this one is definitely one. I hope it does, you know. I hope it. Yes, it does. It does. It does. It does. Yes, it does. It does. It does. It does. Nice. 650. Let's go. What is this? Go away. And this is now a supply zone. 5 minutes. There's a consistency rule with this that I can't be more than 40% of my payout request, which is cool, which is fine. You gotta tighten this up, man, because that's enough money for me. If I can make that every day, I'm laughing. Be a millionaire in 5 years. So I can bring it to break even pretty much now, if I want. Alright, this 5 minutes is dead, right? That's dead. Now these both have consistency rules. So there's a 40% consistency rule on my funded account, and there's a 50% consistency rule on my evaluation. Yeah, so we're here. We're in both. For 2.5 minutes, let's see this fly. And then I'll move both the stop losses. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh shit. Okay, retracement time. We might hit this 5-minute supply and go back down. At least that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I wanted to see. So this is the next actual. This is the thing with the supply and demand stuff. This is not an actual supply zone, but I know, or demand zone, but I know there's going to be demand here, right? Look at what happened here. Come on. I think I better put this thing on, eh? Let me turn off. Oh no, that looks like a little bottom, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's working. Yeah, this didn't want to see that. You know what? The risk is this. This is the challenge. Let's do this. Move you to break even, just below break even, and we're gonna increase risk, increase position size, and increase risk. Let's do this. No, 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 no. First, I'm gonna move you. This is 31 points. Very, very tight. Very, very tight. 25 points. I don't like that. Oh, Let's do let's do the range at least, right? 3 more, yeah? 3 more. Okay. Am I gonna increase position size on this? This is the money, man. You don't need to hit the. Don't worry about the buffer zone. Nothing. Nothing. We're just gonna start trading after this candle, and then we're good. We don't need to concern ourselves with that at all. Let me see. Cool. So this is my funded accounts. Oh, you can't see this, but I'm on the dashboard at Mifu. Um, where's the? Yeah. Minimum withdrawal amount, requested amount must be. Yeah. No single day. Yeah. There's no buffer. Where's the buffer? Buffer level 2600. That's it. We gotta get past the buffer level first, and then do this. Ooh, that's not good. A tiny little 5 minute supply maybe wasn't the right idea to bet on that, but why not? It's nice, fresh, original supply. It's a decisive candle, not an explosive candle. So not like 100% industry. Come on. 6 seconds. This is not the way I wanted this to go. Just one contract. I should have. Up here will be like 100. 160, baby. I could have taken that. 170. I'm gonna start trailing. Yeah, bring that next to each other. And so I take more of an aggressive money management strategy with the challenge because I can fail a couple of challenges if I want, uh, just to get closer, just get closer to the win. How much is that? Three, so 6 times. What? I'm holding caps lock. I'm holding caps lock. So that's only like 600 risk. Yeah. 8 times that. I could probably move this back. I can move this back to maybe here. So 560-ish. Yeah, looks good to me. It's about 1100 risk. We've got a little bit more protection up there. Hopefully we won't be needing it. This supply zone will come through for me. Hold me down. How is that? Cool. All right. Come on, it's time to go. We had our retracement. It's time to go. We have 2 minutes left. I'll be back when something happens. This, we are chilling, chilling. Got like 2 hours left now. Yeah, it's still a good, it's a good shape. The candle's still a good shape. Let me quickly look on trading view. Yeah, it's a good shape for us, but we just need that to be here. This, if the red is just up here, then that looks like a good little reversal pattern. Even better if it's a little bit green up here, you know. Even better if it just flies away, of course. But yeah, we're definitely getting a bit of a rejection off this. We're only halfway through the candle though, so didn't it look better before? I think it looks better before. Yeah, it was up here before. So cool. All right. When something happens, let's just go back here. Yeah. That's what we need. Okay. I'm considering coming out of this right now, actually. 6 seconds left. Just because of that reaction there. I'm not happy. Oh, I'm not happy at all. I'm gonna wait. We'll be back. Okay. After a lot of emotional turmoil while it was hanging out around here, we're now in my direction, and I think it's time around 400 to now get down here. Maybe it will. I might stop myself out right now, but that's okay. There is a consistency rule, so we're not actually going for the home runs as I originally wanted to with this. What? Cannot find order? What does that mean? Cannot find TV order? What does that mean? So what? I can't move it anyway? Wait, this is more important. Let me quickly do this. It's at 100 now. I need it to be at like 130, and I need to put it on 100 basically. That's the model because that's how it will work for me. So I need X amount of, that's it. What is happening, man? Why can't I do this? Why can't I move this? I'm gonna close and come back. What is going on? Come on, come on. Just about there. Why? Cannot find TV order with this. What does that mean? I can close the position. Okay, that was very strange. I don't like it. Let me quickly ask AI first. Oh man, that was not good. Why can't I do that? Fine. No, 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 no. When trying to move stop loss. Why? Lose a sync with a broker. The order ID isn't properly linked here. Refusing to check. Broken connection. Try reconnecting your account. Yeah. No, I was on both of them. So then the next one says order type compatibility. Some brokers don't allow modifications to certain order types after placement. That can't be it because a simple refresh or logging out and back in can resolve the issue. Check order panel settings, settings trading, ensure instant order placement is enabled. Okay, let's ask the chat in the food chat. That was that was panic, man. I don't like that because that's my whole deal having trading stop losses. How's this doing? So yeah, the hammer's becoming longer. Yeah, that's right. Mm, Well, I'll be back when I have some answers. I'm not comfortable putting in a trade right now. That's crazy, man. This is no good. Can't be. This is not sustainable like that. I mean, if it's suddenly a rule now, I will obviously just have targets and trade like that, which will open up some time. There's positives to that, but it's some kind of error for sure, because that's not. I was doing that the whole way through that challenge. So yeah, I'll be back shortly.
All right, just to get this on video, I closed both of those. I think that was on video. I closed. Luckily, it let me do it. I got onto the chat with my funded futures, and they said they've seen this before, and it's an issue with TradingView when there's more than one account on it. So the guy suggested that if I really need to modify an existing order to log into TradeOvate and do it. I asked him if you can simultaneously be on both. You cannot, so that adds another. That adds like an execution hurdle. If because like when I'm trailing, especially when I'm aggressively trading, I need it to be as responsive as possible. So this is annoying. But I guess what I'll have to do is just have the TradeOvate login screen open at the same time. Just be ready to jump over as soon as I can. But I didn't get a chance to try it, and obviously this is not something you can just test without losing money, without risking money. So I'm not able to test it properly, but apparently it can. I googled it as well. Some people say it can just logging out and in to your broker on TradingView does the trick as well. Some said it does, some said it doesn't. So I guess that'll be the first thing I try when it happens. It'll be an emergency, just like this one. It'll be panic, all stations panic, and yeah, we'll just have to try it. It's not ideal, but it's the way the cookie crumbles, eh? I'll be back tomorrow. I got out, and it ended up being not a bad place to get out, just here. You know, obviously, I was looking at almost 200 profit at some point, but it's all right. 100 every day. If I could do 100 every day, I am happy. I'm very, very happy. It's the consistency rule, or what is it called? Sorry, I just finished the workout. What is it called? Trading activity. 5 days of at least $100 profit. I mean, if I do get there, I will obviously hit that. 30 days with at least $100 profit is to get to live, which is good as well. I guess I'm not even sure if, like, I don't know all the benefits of that. You get the first 10,000 100% here anyway. I don't really know the benefits of that. Obviously, I do want it. It's the next logical step after being profitable on a sim funded account. But We'll see about that. That maybe doesn't matter that much. But this is my conservative funded account. If I can consistently make $100, this is still going well. It's still around this level. It has bounced off here, and we've made a higher low, or we're making a higher low. So unless this starts, if this starts tanking, we're looking good. We're looking good. I don't love that it came down there, but we are looking good. Let's just look at it on here. Yeah. Start off high, and we're climbing. We're about halfway through. I expect we'll touch this at some point. Like even if we're gonna go down, before going down, we should touch that. So I'll decide if I want to trail aggressively when we're up there. We want to bet on the breakout or take my money, and it's a lot of money for my account, so I'll take it. This is a lot right now. This is 60%. This is more than 60%. This one trade. I should take this. I'm in all my rights to take this, but I've got an in profit stop loss. 850 is plenty as well. That's 45% almost, or something like that. So yeah, that's where we are. I'll jump back onto Monday, and we'll have some answers after Trump and China's meeting in Switzerland as well. So likely lots of volatility on Monday, which is great. Great news. How do I turn this off?